Most people think they understand food. They count calories, they read labels, they try to eat right. But here's what almost nobody tells you. It's not just what you eat, it's what your body actually does with it. And right now, your body could be working against you, storing energy you never intended to store. Not because you're doing it wrong, but because you don't know the system. Today, we fix that. Think of your body like a highly advanced factory. Every meal you eat, that's a delivery arriving at the gate. And inside, there's a complex network of systems deciding, in real time, what happens next. Use it now, store it for later, or transform it into something else entirely. Same calories, same meal, 2 hours later, completely different result. Why? Because food is just the input. Your biology is the software running behind the scenes. In the next 8 minutes, you'll understand exactly what happens inside your body every time you eat. We'll break it down step by step, how digestion actually works, what carbs, fat, and protein really do, the hormone that controls fat storage, and the one insight that changes how you see every meal. Stay until block 6, because that's where most people realize they've been missing the real picture. Blockchain 1. Digestion. Your food doesn't become energy the moment you swallow it, not even close. Digestion starts in your mouth. Enzymes begin breaking food down before it even reaches your stomach. Then comes your stomach. It churns, it acidifies. It turns solid food into liquid. But here's where it gets interesting. Your small intestine. This is where the real transformation happens. Food gets broken down into its smallest possible units. Glucose from carbohydrates, fatty acids from fat, amino acids from protein. These molecules enter your bloodstream, and from that moment, your body has to make a decision about every single one of them. Block 2. The liver. Most of those nutrients flow directly to your liver. Think of the liver as the most powerful control room in your body, operating 24/7, making hundreds of decisions per hour about what you just ate. Use it now as energy, store it for later, convert it into something else, send it to another organ. These decisions depend on your current energy levels, when you last ate, and your hormonal state. And here's what most people never realize. The exact same meal can produce completely different outcomes in 2 different people. Same food, different biology, different result. Block 3. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates get broken down into glucose, your body's preferred fuel. When glucose enters your blood, your body can use it immediately for energy, store it as glycogen in your muscles and liver, or, if there's too much, convert the excess into fat. But here's what most people get wrong about carbs. It's not just about the amount, it's about the speed. Fast-digesting carbs, like white bread, sugar, and processed foods, hit your bloodstream fast. Blood sugar spikes, then crashes, and you're hungry again within 2 hours. Slower carbs, like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, release glucose gradually. Steadier energy, longer satiety, better control. Same category of food, completely different biological response. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. They obsess over what to eat, but they ignore what's happening after. There's a system running inside you right now, making decisions you can't see. And understanding it changes everything. Block 4. Fat. For decades, fat was the villain. Low-fat products everywhere. Avoiding fat became the golden rule of modern nutrition. But science has moved on. Fat is not the enemy. Your body depends on it to build every cell wall, produce hormones, and keep your brain running. Your brain is roughly 60% fat. It literally cannot work without it. Here's the actual truth. Fat alone doesn't cause fat gain. Your overall energy balance does. But not all fats behave the same way. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and nuts, actively reduce inflammation. Trans fats, found in ultra-processed foods, do the opposite. Context matters far more than the label. Block 5. Protein. Protein is the building material of your body. Muscles, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, almost everything that keeps you functional depends on protein. But here's what most people don't know. If your diet is consistently low in protein, your body doesn't just slow down. It starts breaking down muscle tissue to keep essential functions running. That's not a metaphor. That's gluconeogenesis, your body converting amino acids into glucose for fuel. That's why protein is critical. For muscle maintenance and recovery, for keeping hunger in check, and for protecting your metabolism long-term. Block 6. The hormone nobody explains. This is the part most people have never heard explained properly. Every time you eat, especially carbohydrates, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin steps in to clear glucose from your blood, ushering it into your cells where it belongs. Without it, your blood sugar would become toxic. But here's what insulin also does, and this is what changes everything. When insulin is elevated, your body is in storage mode. It prioritizes incoming energy, and it puts fat burning on hold. Once insulin levels come back down, in the gaps between meals or during fasting, your body shifts. Fat utilization increases. This doesn't override calories, but it explains something that confuses millions of people. Why you can eat healthy and still struggle to lose fat. It's not just what you eat. It's not just how much. It's the hormonal environment your food creates inside your body. That's the insight most nutrition content skips entirely. Block 7. Gut health and processed foods. Your gut is not just a digestive tube. It's home to trillions of bacteria that interact with your immune system, your metabolism, and even your brain. Researchers call it your second brain, and they mean it. Diet quality directly shapes this internal environment. Fiber and whole foods feed beneficial bacteria. Ultra-processed foods disrupt that balance. And that's where modern food becomes a real problem. Ultra-processed foods are engineered to be extremely palatable, fast to eat, and low in satiety. They don't hack your brain in some mysterious way. They simply make one thing dramatically easier: eating far more than your body actually needs. And over time, that's the mechanism behind fat gain. Not magic, not bad genetics, just a system responding to the wrong inputs. So, what do you actually do with all of this? Here's a simple framework based on how your biology actually works. Step 1. Prioritize food quality. Step 2. Anchor every meal with protein. Step 3. Choose slower carbs. Step 4. Give your body a break between meals. Step 5. Pay attention to how you feel. Energy, hunger, sleep, performance. Your body gives you constant feedback. Most people just don't listen. Here is the truth. Your body isn't broken, and it isn't working against you. It is simply a high-precision machine doing exactly what it was designed to do: respond to inputs. Food is an input. Timing is an input. Frequency is an input. When you change the data you feed the system adapts every single time. You are not a victim of your metabolism. You are the lead engineer running it. Stop blaming the machine. Start masterminding the inputs.